Now in this video we're going to be making venison bone broth. Now bone broths are simply easy to make. All you got to do is put bones, vegetables, herbs, spices in a pot, cover with water, and simmer over a stove or a crock pot for like a few hours. So the first thing I'm doing here is placing my bones onto a baking sheet. I'm going to season them with Himalayan salt and put them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm just going to chop up some onions, carrots, celery, thyme, garlic and ginger. Now bone broth can be very beneficial to your health. They're great for inflammation, they speed up wound healing, battle fatigue, address insulin resistance, promote a healthy gut, and build immunity. Now bone broth is one of the oldest, most medicinal foods used in all cultures. Nearly every culture around the world has food traditions that include broths. Bone broths were traditionally prepared as stone soups by dropping hot volcanic rocks into a cedar basket or bent wood box lined with clay, fashioned well enough to hold water and bones. Now I'm just going to dump all those vegetables right into the crock pot. Just going to take all those bones right out of the oven. Now look at that. They look beautiful. Just going to place them right in there. Now I'm basically just going to add anything healthy right now. So first I'm going to be adding my turmeric. Put as much as you want. Then I'm going to add some peppermint I made last spring. Some Himalayan salt, some bay leaves, some raw honey, because why not? Black pepper, or you could even put the whole peppercorns if you'd like, which I did later on. And probably about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to pour my water and just fill it up right to the top. Now I wish I had a bigger pot because it'd be a lot better, but I'm just going to fill this right up. Now look at that, already looking beautiful. Gonna close the lid, turn it on low, and let it simmer for about 8 hours. Well, this is about 6 hours in. Look at that. Looking beautiful. Now this was a big pain, so right now I'm just sifting all the water right into a little bowl, and I'm using a ladle, which took forever, as you could tell. Just gonna strain that out. Push all that down to get all the juices out. Now look at that. Just gonna let that cool down a bit so I'm able to skim that fat off, as you can see right now. I should have waited a little longer, but I was in a rush. But that's the kind of fat you're gonna see there. Well, this took a while. Now I'm just going to dump all that in a jar once it cools off. Now I was a little lazy with the fat, but it's alright, I could always do it after. And there you go, to your bone broth. Subscribe, share, and like the video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys later.